Cymone. I'm coming to you crusty and dusty because I just woke up. I'm going to be doing a clean with me video because my room is a disaster. I don't know how it got like this. I don't know when it got like this, but I know it ends today. It ends today. Okay, so I'm just going to be showing y'all how I clean my room and also a few ways that I organize my room because I have a lot of junk that I don't need, but I will need eventually. I don't know when. But I will need it eventually. I'm going to show you how I organize all that stuff and just how I just get my life, because it's getting gathered today. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, first I'm going to start with collecting all the trash in my room and just throwing that away. We can start there because I got a lot of trash. Next, I'm going to be cleaning off my dresser area because I do want to light a candle and I don't want anything to catch on fire. So I'm just going to clean off this dresser area and light a candle and continue cleaning. Okay, so now I'm going to tackle the bed. After I light the candle, I like to make up the bed because that's the biggest chunk of my room and it makes the room look a little bit more cleaner than it was before once the bed is all made up. So I'm going to clear everything off my bed and make the bed. Okay, so now I'm going to hang up all the clothes I need to hang up in my closet and put away all the shoes that I need to put away. I'm going to show you how to organize my closet as well. Okay, so I'm going to show y'all how I organize my clothes in my closet. Yeah, so let's start here. So I have just empty hangers, like extra hangers here, and then I have my robes, and then I have miscellaneous. This is the end of my closet anyway. Miscellaneous with my suits. I have my jean jackets and this regular zip-up jackets that are a little bit warmer. So my zip-up jackets, I have my bomber jacket and windbreakers here, my line jacket, and then this gets into like my org stuff, so like polos and stuff that have my org's symbols and names on it. Button up and all that. Then I have my sweatshirts here. I have my sister's sweatshirt going along with the org stuff, and I usually keep my AK Psi crew neck in here, but it's a little dirty right now, so gonna keep going. My student government hoodie, and then my crew necks, another hoodie. It's in the wrong place. Yes. And then I go into my like shawls, so like the ones without sleeves, I guess. Go into that, and then it goes to my cardigans, some more shawls, and then I go to like my fave cardigans. So the cardigans that I wear all the time, I keep them in this section. Regular cardigans, I have my button ups here, and then another suit, and then I have like my fancy dresses, like my fancy club dresses, silk and all that in that section. So that's pretty much how I organize my closet. It keeps me kind of sane to know that everything has a place, or when I'm in a rush, I can just go ahead and grab it. I thought about color coordinating, but yeah, I just wasn't feeling that. That would drive me crazy because not all the colors are like the exact same black or the exact same, you know? So I just rather do it this way. And yeah, so that is my closet area. I also have a shelf up here. So yeah, at the top here, I have 2 crates, one with all my cleaning supplies and my trash bags and extra like appliances and stuff like that. I have that up here with my first aid kit, and then I have my printer. And so then I have in this crate, I have my extra blankets and extra curtains and stuff like that. That's my entire closet. Okay, so now I'm going to show you where I keep the majority of my clothes. So I have 4 different bins. These 3 are the same size, and then I have a smaller one. This is where I keep all my undies and stuff like that, all my delicates. And then I have all my shirts in here. It's a little messy right now because I was trying to find something to wear yesterday and just was throwing everything everywhere. This is where I keep all my t-shirts and my nice shirts here. Yeah. This is where I keep that. And then this drawer doesn't close all the way. I got a defective one and I didn't feel like taking it back, so I'll fix that later. So, and then in this one is where I keep all my pants and shorts and all that, and skirts. So all that's in here. This one is all my dresses and crop tops. Yeah, just my dresses and crop tops. And this one, tuck that in. Sometimes it get a little full. You just gotta tuck. So then on top of the smaller drawer, I have my hats. So I keep all my hats here and my visors. I keep all those underneath here. And then just a few belts. That's just on top of there. Moving over, I have my hair bin. So this is where I keep all my hair stuff. I just cleaned this out and organized it about a week ago. So I have all my scarves and stuff, and then I have just all my products and my brushes and all that. That's all in here. And then I have my blow dryer, and I have my food bin. So this is where I keep all my snacks, with just things that I can't keep in the cabinets in the kitchen. And everything else underneath my bed, I have another one of these bins like this, and that's where I keep my pots and pans and stuff like that. So I pretty much keep everything in my room because with college you just have to consolidate things and you don't want to take up too much space. So yeah. And then the rest of the stuff under my bed, I just have like my suitcases and just empty boxes. So when I have to move, I have boxes to put stuff in. So next I'm going to show you how I organize all of my drawers. This has like a lot of my essential things in it. So starting with the bottom drawer, I have my medicine drawer, and it's in one of these things. So I have my medicine, I have extras of stuff, so like deodorant, sunscreen, toothpaste, I have batteries in here, toothbrushes and all that, a light bulb. I don't know why that's in here, but anyway. And then this one I have all my command strips and my tape and all that, more extra stuff. And then I have extra lotions and stuff that I don't want to keep on the top of my dresser, and soaps and stuff. So that's in this drawer. In this drawer I have my nail polishes and nail stuff, and I have my skincare, like all this is skincare in here, and then just extras of like little miscellaneous things that didn't fit in the bottom drawer. And I have like potty pad things for dogs because my friend's dog always comes over here. In this drawer is where I keep all my candles and stuff. So all of these are candles, and I have a little wall plug-in thing, but I don't really use that often because I always use my candles. And then I have like extra dishes and stuff that I don't primarily use. And this drawer is where I keep my towels and my wash rags and stuff. And yeah, I just fold it up into like these little spirals because it's just easier that way, and it saves a lot of room. But yeah, that is in my drawers and how I organize them. Okay, so now I'm going to show you where I keep all my dishes and stuff. So I have my wine glasses and my mugs on top, and then I have my utensils and stuff here. In this drawer I have my my spatulas and tongs and bottle opener and all that stuff. That's all in there. Is where I keep my plates, bowls, and cups. And then on my wall here, I have my Swiffer and my dustpan and broom hanging on the wall by command strips. And I just think this is a very easy way to store these items because it just saves a lot of room, and I have that sitting right behind my door. In this area, this is where my TV stand is and my Wii and just all my school supplies and where I keep everything for that. The last thing I'm going to clean is my desk. I like to save this for last just because, I don't know, it's always the messiest. So yeah, I'm just going to clean off my desk. Now all I have to do is vacuum my room and I will be done cleaning up my room and take out the trash, but I'll do that off camera. Okay, and that is the end of the video. I cleaned my entire room from top to bottom and I think it looks pretty good from where we started. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!